Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you about the daemon sets. Daemon sets are useful in the case if requirement is to run a pod copy on every node or some of the node in the cluster. Daemon set ensure that as soon as new node added in the cluster, a pod copy is created on the node by itself automatically. And if node is removed from the cluster, then that related pod copy is also removed. If you delete the daemon set, all of the related pod are removed from the cluster. For example, if your deployment is low collector type file bit, then file bit require that every worker node should have the copy of the pod so that pod can harvest the log directly from the worker node. Okay, so this is the basic summary of the daemon set. So let's understand how to create the daemon set. If you use the command kubectl create, you don't have any option to create the daemon set using kubectl command. Same way kubectl run. So we don't have the option to create the daemon set through the run command as well. So how to create the daemon sets is very simple. First we will create the deployment.yaml. How we used to create that kubectl create deployment. We will use the nginx image. So nginx dep hyphen image nginx. You already know how to create the template file before running the actual resource. So hyphen o YAML deploy dot YAML. Fine. Now let's change the deployment YAML to the daemon set YAML. First thing what we need to edit this kind. Here we want to use the daemon set kind type. But if you don't know what's the exact what should be used for the daemon set, then we have the command kubectl API resources. Here you can find the exact name. Just copy this. Another parameter is replicas because we know that daemon set makes sure that every node should have the copy of the pod. So we don't need to tell how many copies should be there using the replica parameter. So we just can delete the replica. Another one, strategy. We don't need the strategy in the daemon set. Let's find the another parameter. Yeah, status as well. So how many parameter we removed? First, we change the kind from deployment to the daemon set. Then we remove the replicas. We don't need the replicas. Then we remove the strategy, and then we remove the status. So just 3 parameter we need to remove, and 1 we need to change. So our daemon set YAML file is ready. Just apply the file kubectl create -m -f is saying that daemon set nginx dep created. How to check the daemon set? Kubectl get ds. Ds is the short form that you can use for the daemon set. Is saying that nginx dep daemon set is created. It has the 2 ports. So we will check this kubectl get ports. 2 ports are created. We created one daemon set, but in the this cluster there are 2 schedulable nodes. So 2 ports are created here. If you delete one port, then daemon set will make sure that new ports is created automatically. If new node is added in the cluster, then third copy of the this nginx dep would be created. Same way, if you remove one node, then one copy of the port will be removed from the cluster. So let's summarize what we have done. If we want to create the daemon set, we don't have the option to create the daemon set through kubectl create or kubectl run command. So what we have to do, we just need to create the deployment template using the kubectl create deployment, and have to make few changes. For example, we change the kind from deployment to the daemon set. We change some parameter replicas. we deleted actually those parameter replicas, strategy, and status, and just apply the file. If you will have the daemon set in your cluster. So try this, and if you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section.